In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting for the first time with ease and confidence. Whether you're preparing for a work conference, a social event, or just a quick catch-up with friends, mastering the art of hosting a Zoom meeting is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in and guide you through each step to make your virtual meetings smooth and successful. The first thing you need to do is visit zoom.us. Once you're there, you have to sign up for a new account if you haven't done so already, or simply log in to your existing Zoom account. This is your gateway to hosting a meeting, so make sure your credentials are handy. Now that you are logged in, look for the option that says Host and then click on Join with Video. This choice lets you kick off the meeting with your video on, helping to make a more personal connection with your participants right from the start. Next, you'll need to permit Zoom to access your camera and microphone. This step ensures that participants can see and hear you. And don't worry, Zoom will prompt you to allow these permissions. It's crucial to allow access. Otherwise, your meeting might not go as planned. Once the meeting has begun, focus on adding participants. You can do this by clicking on Participants and then selecting Invite. This will give you options to send out invites via email or by sharing the meeting link. Having the right participants in your meeting is key to its success, so be sure to send out your invitations in advance. As participants start to join, you'll notice a toolbar appearing on your Zoom window. This toolbar is equipped with functions to help manage your meeting efficiently. One important feature here is the ability to mute or unmute your microphone. This comes in handy to ensure there's no unwanted background noise during the meeting. You can also start or stop your video by using the video icon. Depending on the nature of your meeting, you may decide whether to engage participants with your video on or off. Having this control allows you to suit the meeting to your preference and comfort level. If you plan to give a presentation, Zoom makes it simple to share your screen. Just click on Share Screen in the toolbar. Whether it's a slideshow, a document, or a browser tab, this function allows you to convey your information clearly and efficiently to everyone in the meeting. Communication is key, and Zoom includes a chat feature that allows you to message participants during the meeting. This is particularly useful for sharing links or for participants to ask questions without interrupting the speaker. Finally, when your meeting wraps up and it's time to say goodbye, just click on End in the bottom right corner, followed by End Meeting for All. This will conclude your session safely and effectively, ensuring a clean exit for all participants. There you have it, a straightforward guide to hosting your very first Zoom meeting. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to running your virtual gatherings like a pro.